So the 3.5 cable that comes with the Moondrop Critical Dusk, it's just really not my favorite cable. Like, it's not the worst cable that I've ever used. It's definitely not the best. And the DSP cable, it has those artifacts that once you hear them, you can't unhear them. So it kind of ruins the listening experience. But I actually really like the Dusk. Out of all of my IEMs, it's in the top 3. Like, I actually listen to this one. It gets some play. But I had to get a different cable. Like, I did not like that 3.5 cable. So I went and bought some cables from this company here with my own money. And they're affordable. Like, these were under $20. Like, both cables together, under $40. Very affordable. The connectors, quite nice. No real complaint there. Ear hooks are very comfortable. Like, very comfortable. It's a flexible material, light, soft, very nice. Got your cinch here. And then, oh man, it's just lovely. Just lovely. And then look at how well behaved this is. It does exactly what I tell it to do. No memory, just nicely twirls where I want it to go. So well behaved. Excellent cable. Excellent. Like, I just wish all IEMs came with at least that good of a cable. So I went to their site to buy this. I went to the AliExpress to buy this cable for the Dusk. While I was there, I saw this cable. And what's cool about this cable is it doesn't have ear hooks. So I can change the polarity. I can reverse the polarity on an IEM. What's great about that is the Truth Ear Hexa. I like the Truth Ear Hexa. I think it's tuned pretty good, and I don't mind listening to it. It has one major flaw, though, and that is its reverse polarity. At least this unit is. And it does impact the sound for me. It might not for you, it might not for a lot of people, but for me personally, the polarity does seem to matter. I'm able to change the polarity and get a better listening experience out of the Hexa for an affordable price, under 20 bucks. This one I think was $15, 16, something like that. So I'm just stoked on this product because I'm able to do that, change the polarity on Hexa and make it a better listening experience for myself. And I'm able to just have a nice cable for my Dusk, which I regularly use, and I just want a cable that wears nice and is comfortable and all that stuff. So yeah, I definitely would recommend this company. Like, if you just need a replacement cable because you hate the cable that comes with your IEM, or you want to do some stuff or whatever, this is great. This is awesome. I actually just placed a second order. I bought 2 more cables. I bought a second one of these with the no ear hooks because this one's actually going to end up living with the Hexa. And then I got a second one on the way so that I can test with it. Like, I can just have that at my desk to test with IEMs. And a lot of IEMs, they also come in and then they come in 4.4, and I don't normally use 4.4. So I'm always scrambling and switching cables. So yeah, I just bought 2 more cables. I'm stoked on this. They're affordable. They're great. They do the job. Good job. Not much more I can ask for. So yeah, if you have any questions for me, leave them in the comments down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and until next time.